Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the stock screener module in Quotestream. You can access the stock screener by clicking Tools in the top left and going to Stock Screener. So we'll open up the stock screener window, and this is where you can set various parameters to screen for the stocks that you want. So let's start out with something simple here first. So if I click in this box here, it says click here to select a filter. It's going to provide me a lot of different parameters that can be used in filtering out and using your screener. So let's look through them. We have descriptive, share performance, volume, valuation, ownership, dividends, profitability, margins, the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flow ratios, turnover, growth, and technical indicators with a few other arrows. And you would just go to the one that you want and click on it, and that would show up. So they're going to have different, ways to search. And if I wanted to bring up everything that's not New York Stock Exchange, and I would use the not equals to, but I'm looking for New York, so I'm going to use everything from the market equals to New York Stock Exchange. Then I'm going to add another, and I'm going to look for, let's go with share price, because I want shares within a specific, price range. So I have the ability to do between greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So let's do between. And then when you click the drop down boxes, you have various values that you can use. And I'm going to keep it really close. I would just want stuff between $20 a share and $30 a share. Now, if we run the screen right now, it's going to show us every symbol that is listed on New York that is between $20 and $30 a share. And it might be quite a bit, so you kind of have to narrow it down a bit further. Let's click here to select another filter. And I think I'm going to go with average volume because I don't want anything that doesn't trade more than 2 million shares on average per day. So you can pick and choose which one, 10-day average, 20. The lower you go, the big volume spikes that you might see in charts, maybe because of news or earnings results, will weigh in on an average volume. So if you really want something more further, you might want to go with like a 50. And so you can pick in between, or you can go with greater than or less than. I'm going to go with greater than or equal to. And I want a lot more than 10K. I want to go up to, let's do 1 million here. So anything with a 50-day average volume that's greater than 1 million. Let's add a bit more of a filter to it. So I think let's just look through. We could choose sector if we wanted, or industry, percentage change for the day. I'm going to go with market capitalization. I only want stocks that are greater than or equal to $1 billion. That should be pretty good. Let's run the screen and see what we get. So you can also adjust the maximum fetch size, so that's the number of results. We could just bring it all the way up to 400. I'm going to run the screen. So it fetched a total of 79 results. Now if I had it set to 25 and I ran the screen, it's going to show me 25 of the 79. So you got to work with that. Bring it all the way up and run the screen, and then we've got all the ones that we wanted. And so you see some of these symbols here that I've found in my screening. And it has various different columns that are available that you can use to further analyze the results that you have produced using the screener. You can scroll down, see all symbols listed on the New York Stock Exchange that meet these specific requirements. Now maybe I want to see what's on NASDAQ instead. I can just right away change. I go to NASDAQ, I can run the screen. And so I have 39 results that meet that. So you can look through and you can export the results list here. So you can export the results that are displayed. That is, if you were having a maximum fetch size of 25 and there was like 39, so it would just show those. Or you could export all the results. You can also save if you wanted to save this. So you would click save and then enter a name. Let's say fun list of stocks. Okay, and then I would go to my save screens, and there it is. And so anytime I want, I can bring it up. So you might have, you might want to have this. You create like a sort of a template that you used, and then you can just go from there and just change the market each time and just use that one template that you want to use and just get the results there. So you could save it if you wanted to. So let's go to fund list of stocks. Let's delete. Yes. And there we go. You don't have it anymore.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our tutorial videos.